Minister wa hinya wa kũhũthĩka Opiyo Wandayi arĩtie arĩ mwena wa Naivasha hĩndĩ ya icera rĩake kambuni-inĩ ya wenji na ũtambia wa thitima ya KenGen, akiuga mathĩna ma thitima kũra kwaya gũkorwo kũrĩ na waya ngũrũ cia gũtambia thitima, na akauga marĩ mũbango-inĩ wa kũicenjia na nĩ kĩgĩna maretha gĩa kũruta wĩra ũcio.
We are clear in our minds that once we do all this, okay, we shall be in a position to deliver power to Kenyans at affordable rates. Some of these blackouts emanate from the infrastructure that we have, okay, along the chain. And once we make this improvement that we are making, it will go a long way in addressing that.
Augete ni mararaniria na bunge ya bũrũri kũrũmĩrĩra watho ũrĩa wekĩrirwo wa kũgiria kambuni cia andũ kĩũmbe kwenja thitima, akiuga bũrũri nĩ ũrabatara kwandandũra ihumo cia thitima kumana na bata ũrĩa ũrĩ ho. Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa kambuni ya KenGen Elizabeth Njenga nake akiuga marĩ na mũbango wa kuongerera mũigana wa thitima ĩrĩa marenja.
We are working closely with Parliament to have it lifted for good reasons, that we need more power to be generated to spur our economic development.
2 additional geothermal power plants that we are working on. We also have a solar plant which will be located on the eastern side of Kenya near the Seven Forks Cascade. We also have a wind farm that we have sited in Marsabit that will evacuate up to 100 or 200 megawatts depending on the demand evolution. We are also working on the battery energy storage system. It's a new technology which we need in the Kenyan current system because of the wind and solar, which we refer to intermittent sources of power.
Minister Wandayi augĩte kambuni cia thitima cia KenGen, Ketraco na GDC nĩ iragathĩka mĩtaratara ya kuongerera hinya makĩria wa thitima.
KenGen continues to deliver the least expensive power to the national grid, okay? And that basically therefore means that going forward, even as we encourage other players in the generation sector, as a government, it is incumbent upon us that we continue to support KenGen for strategic reasons.
Ngĩribotera Inoro TV, njĩtagwo Ani Ngigĩ wa Nyamũ.